So today we will learn how to find out area of given irregular shape. So first example, find the area of the given plot. All the measurements are given in meters. So the diagram, first observe the diagram. You will find that there are triangles and trapezium. So let us see one by one and find out the area of different geometrical figure which makes the complete figure. First one is area of triangle. As you know, area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So we are taking triangle PAQ. We have area of triangle PAQ equals to half into QA is height, so 50, and PA is base, so 30. When we multiply and simplify, we get 750 square meter. So area of triangle PAQ equals to 750 square meter. Next is triangle RCS. We are taking all the triangles first. So half into CS is the base and RC is the height. Substitution, half into 60 into 25. When we simplify, we get 750 square meter. Next one is area of triangle PTS. You can take two different triangle if you want, or you can take full triangle because they have collinear base. So half into PS full base multiply by BT. So half into full base, to obtain we have to add all that what is given to us, PA plus PB plus BC plus CS equals to PS. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 will become 90 plus 60, 150. So the base became 150. So area of triangle PTS equals to half into 150 into 30. That will give you 2250 square meter. Now let us go for one more figure, that is called as trapezium, which is given to you in the figure. So the trapezium name is QACR. QA and CR both are perpendicular on PS. Therefore QA and RC both are parallel to each other, and the perpendicular distance between them is AC. And you know that area of trapezium equals to half into height into sum of the parallel sides of a trapezium. So half into AC, as you see, and into sum of the parallel side means AQ plus RC. So when we substitute the value, I get half into 60, from where I got AB plus BC makes AC. So 30 plus 30 becomes 60 into 50 plus 25. Further simplifying, half into 60 into 75. When we simplify further, we get 2250 square meter. So we have got all the smaller geometrical figures area. Now we have to find out area of the bigger regular plot which is given to us. So area of the plot consists of area of triangle PAQ, area of trapezium QACR plus area of triangle RCS and area of triangle PTS. The values are put, when we add up we get 6000 square meter. So this is the steps when you will take, you will able to get the answer. One more sum is given to you. The diagram you can observe there, it is given to you and all the information is given in that diagram. Also you have to be careful that CE, if you take the triangle CDE, in that CE is a base which is 28 full and the height is given 16. So first we have to find out area of triangle ABE. For that I need AE, so that I will find out by using Pythagoras, and then I will use normal formula for area of triangle BAE. If you want, you can use normal formula, or you can also use Heron's formula, depends on you. By any one method you can find out area of triangle ABE. Now to find out area of triangle BCE, where all the three sides are given to you, so you can only use the formula Heron's. So you can find out by using the formula Heron's formula to get the answer of area of triangle BCE. The third one we have area of triangle CDE. So here you cannot use Heron's formula because only one side is given, the remaining two sides are not given. So you are going to use here normal formula. As you know it, we have used it. I have not done this sum you have to try, and along with that I will send another video in which this is solved. So first you try in your notebook by using this, and then you try that. When you add all the above 1, 2 and 3, we get the area of the given plot. Now to check whether you have got correct answer or not, you can watch the video connected to it.